Everyone, good day, guys. This is Prof. Sammy, and you're welcome. Yes, it's another day of learning. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure that you do that to get premium updates. Okay, because we drop, we give value, we give content, premium content. So, today we'll be doing something very interesting. Now, if this is our YouTube page, okay, as you can see, SK Tech. Okay, so in case you have subscribed, these are videos that we have uploaded, so you can go check them out, and you have a lot to learn from. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot for you to learn. So today I'll be teaching you how to download videos on YouTube directly to your phone. Yes, download direct to your phone. Now, it's a simple process. Okay, so like I said, once again, if you have not subscribed, please endeavor to subscribe. Okay, yes, so as to get, and also turn on the notification bell, okay, so as to get updates when we drop any tutorial. Okay, so now let me go to, maybe you just came on YouTube, all right, so and you want to watch a movie, or you saw a movie on YouTube, and you don't want to watch it online, you want to watch it offline, sorry, not offline, you want to save it directly to your phone, so you can, instead of burning data to watch it, you can just save it directly to your phone and then watch it. So what you do is just go to YouTube, and then this is the particular, I love Chinese movie actually. Yeah, so this is what we want to, this is what I want to, okay, not that actually, I take a hand, is this one, this is the one, this is the, sorry, this is the one I want to, so this is the one I want to watch. Okay, so I like that movie, I want to watch the movie, so I just tap on it. This is the movie. Okay, so what I will do is you just come here and tap on share, okay, tap on share, then you copy the link of the movie or anything that you want to download to your phone, copy it, just tap on copy. All right, so it's the copy, then you come to your browser. Okay, come to your browser, and then you type on the search bar Y2Mate. Okay, it's gonna be, I'll type it on the screen Y2Mate. Okay, so just type Y2Mate on your browser, y2mate.com. that's the name of the website that can help you, yes, so you get to this point. Okay, so what you do is just on this search bar, okay, just long press and then paste. You see paste. When you long press, when you hold, just see paste, then paste it. Okay, so when you paste it, it will bring just all these adverts, just click on close, ignore them. So when you click paste, you just see this. Okay, to just bring the name of the whatever you want to download. Okay, and you see the different, look at different dimensions. You see MP4, okay, then 720. Okay, so this one now, you can see the MB size, that is 651, depending on if it depends on how long the movie is. The longer the movie, the bigger the MB. So I'll just ignore this advert. Okay, then you come here, you click on download. So I want to download this one now. That's recommended 720, so that the quality will be clear. Okay, yeah, 480, if you download 480, you won't enjoy the quality. So just click on download, then you tap on download, just wait for it to, if you tap on download, it will bring out all this. Just go back. Okay, go back, then tap on download again. Okay, then you will see it. See, you can see that it's, just click on close. You can see, then you click on, if you see once this pops up, just click on download again, download, and it will start downloading to your device. Okay, it will start downloading to your device. Yeah, just ignore this advert, just go back, enter in this advert pops up, just go back. Okay, just go back and tap on download, definitely it will download. Okay, just ignore those adverts that are popping up by the way, just ignore those adverts. Okay, so let me go back. It's supposed to ignore these adverts, ignore that advert, download MP4. It's supposed to start download. When yeah, you can see that it's downloading. Can you see it now? Downloading file. So that's how to download. Let me just remove it. So that's how to download from YouTube directly to your device. When you download it, you just go to your gallery and you would see it, and then you can now watch without data. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, ensure that you share, you like, and you subscribe. Okay, still remain Prof Sammy, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in another tutorial. Cheers.